Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic, how to delete your Instagram account. Deleting your Instagram account is a permanent action. Once deleted, all your photos, videos, followers, and likes will be gone forever. So, make sure you've thought this through and backed up any data you want to keep. So, step 1, back up your data. Step 2 is tap on 3 stripes button in the top right corner and choose Settings and Privacy. Now you need to tap on the Account Center. Then tap on Personal Details. In opened window, choose Account Ownership and Control. Next, you need to tap on Delete Account. As you can see, we are close to delete our account. Choose the reason why you want to delete your account. Tap on Continue twice in opened windows. And the last thing you need to do is enter your Instagram account password for security purposes. That's it after you'll be able to finally delete it. Please give this video a like. Bye-bye.